Do you need to use GIS in your work, but you don't know how to apply this analysis and you don't know what software to use for GIS-related work? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this course is for you. Welcome to my course on Geographic Information Systems in QGIS, Basic of GIS Analysis. I am very happy that you have found of my course. And you know why? This course is designed to equip you with the theoretical and practical knowledge of QGIS and GIS, and it includes more than 4 hours of video content, plenty of practical analysis, and downloadable materials implemented in QGIS. In this course, I will teach you how to work with a popular open-source QGIS software and its great tools and plugins. Quantum QGIS is an open-source geographic information system that supports most geospatial vector and raster file types and analysis. This enables cutting-edge global-scale analysis and visualization. This fundamental course aimed to equip you with a theoretical and practical knowledge of applied GIS analysis. By the end of this course, you will understand the theory behind GIS analysis. You will also feel confident and completely understand the basics of GIS analysis and GIS systems and its main components and data types. You will also learn how to install and configure QGIS. You will learn how to work with vector and raster data in QGIS, and I will show plenty examples how to do that, as well as you will use various QGIS plugins and toolboxes in the course. You will learn how to visualize GIS data and produce beautiful maps for your reports. One important part of the course is its practical exercises. You will be given some precise instructions and analysis demonstrations that will definitely help you with a geospatial career. So, don't wait and enroll now!